Tired of living paycheck to paycheck and feeling like you're always strapped for cash? I'm going to show you how to live a life of luxury on the cheap, with some creative ideas so that you can still enjoy life without breaking the bank. Hi everyone, welcome to Stealth Wealth Society, and today I'm going to teach you how to live a rich life without the expensive price tag. Living frugally doesn't have to be boring. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to get more bang for your buck and live it up while saving money. You don't need a wallet filled with hundreds of dollars or high-end salaries. Just follow my advice here and you'll be swanky in no time. Let's get started. How about you? Do you have a list of exciting things you want to do to make the most out of life? Feel free to share your bucket list with us in the comment section below. Oh, and don't miss out on our latest financial videos. Make sure to subscribe to Stealth Wealth Society for all the updates. So go ahead and make the most of life without worrying about your finances. Let's have some budget-friendly fun. Number 1. Thrift Adventure. Why not treat yourself to a delightful day of thrifting? It's the perfect opportunity for some well-deserved retail therapy, and the best part is shopping for secondhand clothing isn't just budget-friendly, it's also a sustainable choice. So gather a friend and embark on a thrifting adventure, exploring local thrift stores and vintage shops in search of hidden treasures from bygone eras. Keep an eye out for those amazing discounted designer pieces too. They're like winning the jackpot. To add an extra dose of excitement, why not turn it into a friendly competition? Set a fun challenge of spending $20 or less on your finds. It's a guaranteed recipe for an unforgettable day of thrifty fun. Number 2. Offer your time and love to furry friends at a local animal shelter. Why not spread some love and joy by lending a hand at an animal shelter? It's a win-win situation. You'll be giving the animals some much-needed TLC while getting the chance to snuggle with adorable furry friends. Simply reach out to your local shelter and find out how you can contribute. And if you're unable to volunteer directly but still crave some puppy serotonin, many doggy daycares welcome volunteers to join in on the playtime fun, which is always the best time. Alternatively, you can ask a friend if you can give them a break and spend an afternoon with their pup. Number 3. House parties come back. Get ready for the ultimate house party experience. Picture this, an epic gathering filled with great vibes, awesome music, and drinks flowing in every hand. It's the kind of shindig where your friends, friends of friends, or even friends of those friends all come together, transforming your space into a lively hub of good company, laughter, and unforgettable conversations. Now you might think hosting such a gathering's a big deal, both mentally and financially, but fear not. A phenomenal house party doesn't require much. Just set out a few bowls of scrumptious snacks, arrange some comfy seating, and concoct a killer house cocktail. Simply ask your guests to bring a bottle of their choice and let the festivities begin. Trust us, with these ingredients, you'll create memories that will be talked about for ages. So get ready to host the ultimate house party of the year. Number 4. Vibing at the museum. Why not have a rad time exploring the world of art and culture at a museum? It's a perfect way to spend an afternoon. While museum tickets can sometimes be a bit pricey, especially in cities, there are savvy ways to make it more affordable. Before you go, do a little research to discover museums, galleries, and exhibits that offer pay-as-you-wish rates or discounts on specific days. And if you're a student, don't forget to take advantage of those awesome student discounts. Plus, keep an eye out for late museum hours, as they sometimes come with the perk of free admission. So get ready to immerse yourself in art, history, and a whole lot of fun without breaking the bank. Number 5. Hang out with your squad in a botanical garden. If you're all about enjoying the great outdoors, a trip to a botanical garden is the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a serene way to reconnect with nature and let your worries drift away. In most big cities, you'll find a botanical garden oasis, where you can wander among thousands of stunning plants, admire intricate sculptures, and witness mesmerizing fountain displays. Before you go and immerse yourself in the beauty of it all, be sure to check for any discounted tickets or free admission days, so you can make the most of this delightful experience without breaking the bank. Get ready to surround yourself with blooming flowers, lush greenery, and tranquility in the heart of nature. Number 6. Tour your own city. It's no secret that plane tickets and hotel prices are soaring as everyone rushes to book their trips. But hey, if jetting off to a new city or country isn't in the cards for you yet, fret not. you can still embrace your inner tourist right in your own hometown. Take a leisurely stroll along the boardwalk or beach, and why not venture out to discover pizza joints and parks you've never experienced before? It's an awesome way to gain a whole new appreciation for the people, places, and things you might typically take for granted. So grab a buddy and turn it into a pick-your-own-adventure kind of day, exploring both familiar and unfamiliar spots. You could revisit your childhood playground, or hit up the local diner known for its mouth-watering waffles. Here's a pro tip. Fully embrace the tourist vibe by capturing those unforgettable moments throughout the day. Trust me, you'll create memories that will last a lifetime and see your hometown in a whole new light. Let the adventure begin. Number 7. Foodie Expedition. Who needs to settle for just one restaurant when you can embark on a culinary adventure and visit 4 in a single evening? Say hello to the restaurant crawl experience, where you get to sample a variety of delectable cuisines without breaking the bank. Here's the plan. Kick off your crawl with some refreshing drinks during happy hour at the first stop, then hop over to a second spot for some scrumptious light bites or appetizers. Next up, savor a mouth-watering entree at the third restaurant, and to wrap it all up in the most delightful way, treat yourself to a heavenly dessert in an ice cream shop for the grand finale. By the end of this epic food journey, both your stomach and your wallet will be equally satisfied. So gather your friends, bring your appetite, and get ready to embark on a flavorful adventure that will leave you with amazing memories and a happy belly. Bon appetit! Number 8. Squad-Lympics. Get ready to unleash your inner kid and have a blast with your very own Squad-Lympics. Gather up a crew of 10 to 30 or more friends for a day filled with friendly competition and loads of laughter. We're talking about an epic lineup of outdoor games that will ignite that healthy competitive spirit in all of you. Picture this: water balloon tosses, intense tug-of-war battles, thrilling relay races, and even a quirky game called Poop the Potato. Shout out to my friend who shared this gem. In Poop the Potato, a player has to hold a potato between their thighs, waddle across a field, and drop it into a bucket. Hilarious, right? For an extra touch of team spirit, consider splurging a few extra dollars to get fancy bandanas for each team, establishing awesome team colors. And here's the best part. Unlike the real Olympics, medals are totally optional. It's all about having a fantastic time together and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So get ready to let loose, enjoy some friendly rivalry, and laugh until your sides hurt. The Squad-Lympics are about to begin, and you're in for a day filled with fun, camaraderie, and unforgettable moments. Let the games begin. Number 9. Have a blast with your very own inflatable pool for grown-ups. Get ready to beat the summer heat without breaking the bank. While a beach trip can put a dent in your wallet with gas, parking fees, and overpriced snacks, there's an awesome alternative that'll keep you cool all season long for around $100. Enter the adult-sized inflatable pool. It's a total game changer. Lightweight and super easy to set up, this above-ground pool is perfect for creating your very own backyard oasis during the scorching hot days. It may not be the same as the ocean, but it sure comes close. Say goodbye to sandy toes and seaweed mishaps, and say hello to endless splashing fun right at home. Number 10. Level up your ice cream game. Guess what? You have full permission to enjoy ice cream every single day without any guilt. Well, maybe your accountant would beg to differ, but we've got a genius solution for that. Say hello to your new BFF, an ice cream maker. When you have your own ice cream maker at home, the flavor possibilities become endless. You can whip up delightful creations and become the ultimate ice cream connoisseur. And hey, why not invite your friends over for an epic ice cream social? It's a surefire way to have a blast and indulge in all the creamy goodness together. Feel free to give these awesome life enjoyment hacks a try with your friends and family without worrying about spending a fortune. And hey, if you're looking to take your enjoyment and long-term wealth building to the next level, don't forget to check out the diverse range of courses offered by Stealth Wealth Society. You can find the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.